How to buy Takki token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code simply as the code below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 8 hours ago and increased by 14,000% in the last 24 hours. So as you can see, this token trading number 8 in the base section. Now, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here and go and open your wallet. For that, I will use the BitKit wallet. Go and click on wallet and select the base as a network from here, as you can see. Now, after that, click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. So as you can see, click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added. So after that, what you need to do, just click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Takki token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.